In Africa, people might know your business and understand your trade, but still refuse to patronize you because they do not trust you or your product. In Brick 5, we solved visibility. In Brick 6, we solved clarity. But visibility and clarity are not enough if trust is missing. And in a continent where people have been disappointed, betrayed by fake businesses, sold poor products by smooth marketers, trust is the hardest currency to win. But here is the good news. AI cannot give you trust, but AI can help you build the foundation for trust. The AI tool you need is ElevenLabs. Why voice? Because people trust what they can hear. A typed message can feel cold. A flyer can be ignored. But a voice carries warmth. A voice carries you. Many African businesses send the same WhatsApp text to every customer. Good morning, order placed, payment received. It works, but it does not build deep trust. Now imagine this. A customer pays you, and instead of only receiving a text, they receive a short voice note. Thank you for your order. I appreciate your trust. Your delivery is being prepared. But you did not have to record it every time. ElevenLabs helped you create it using your own cloned voice. That is the difference between transaction and connection, between selling once and being remembered. Here is how to use ElevenLabs for trust. Number 1, clone your own voice once on ElevenLabs using a clean audio sample. Number 2, write the messages your customers should hear. A welcome message when they order, a thank you message when they pay, a delivery update when their product is on the way, a follow-up message after they receive it. Number 3, generate each one as a voice note. Save them on your phone. Send them on WhatsApp or attach them to emails. Suddenly, a customer who was unsure about you hears you speak to them directly. That is how trust starts to grow. Not through pressure, through presence. That is how you complete the cycle. Visibility, so people find you. Clarity, so people understand you. Trust, so people choose you. This is the final brick. Brick number 7. You now have the foundation, you have the system, you have the tools, but systems do not build themselves. The next move belongs to you. Pick one brick this week, just one. Start there. Your name is your foundation, your business is your address, your voice is your trust. That is the 7th brick. The builder's class is not ending, the builder's class begins. The day you start building. This is the street lecturer, class dismissed.